Hi, today we're going to make a mosaic giraffe, and instead of tiles we're going to use cut paper. So these paper squares are going to make our giraffe. Very simple to make. What we're going to do is we're going to start with half a sheet of construction paper, green construction paper for the back. Just cut it in half. We've got 9 by 12 right here. Take it, fold it in half again. And what we've got now is we've got our starting point. Where the two lines intersect, that's where our starting point is going to be. And to make sure that you can see it, I put an X there with a pen. Now you don't have to do this with the kids, but you can if you want. It does make it easier for them to know where to put the glue. And what we're going to do is we're going to have these paper cuts all cut out for you. I put them in little tubs so the kids can grab them, and they're separate so they don't all mix together. And we're going to have two colors. We're going to have orange. These are 1 by 1 squares. And we've got yellow. And right where the two lines intersect, we're going to put 4 dots of glue. And those are going to be where we're going to put the mosaics. Now my glue might drop a little bit, might drip because I've got this up. Usually with the kids, of course, it's going to be flat against the table. And we're going to start right there in that corner. And we're going to put our first orange one right there. And we're going to be making a pattern. So we're going to put a yellow one right there, right up against it. Another yellow one right over here, and an orange one right there. And that's how we're going to start our giraffe. Then on either side, we're going to have 2 more. So we put the dots of glue right there, and we continue our pattern. So next to a yellow, we're going to have an orange. Next to an orange, we have a yellow. And continue on the other side so that we have a rectangle. That's going to be the giraffe's body. Now we need to put some feet, some legs on it. So we're just going to put a line down here and a line down there. And we're going to continue the pattern. And we're going to go 3 down. So starting from the top, 3 down until we have 1 leg on the front. And then we're going to start on the back and do the same thing. 3 down. And we have the leg. So it's looking like that. Of course, you can make it a little bit straighter if you got it against the table. And we're going to do the neck. The neck is going to start in the front here. Now you could do it on that side as well, having the giraffe look the other way. And this time we're going to do 4. So we're going to go 4 up, just like that, and then go all the way to the top like that. Now our giraffe needs a mane. Our mane is going to be 4 inches long, 1 inch wide. You can cut this apart so you get like a little fringe, like this. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now, but you can cut that right there. And we're going to put glue on the back of that. And of course, if you did the fringe, you would have the fringe going out like that. And then we need to give our giraffe a face. And you can choose either color, orange or yellow. And we're going to put it right down between these two. So it looks just like that. Our giraffe now needs an eye. The eye are 1/2 by 1/2, and they're going to go right where these 3 intersect. For the nostril, we're going to use a little teeny tiny paper, and that's 1/4 by 1/4, and that's going to go right up here, just like that. There's our nostril. And we need some hooves. Our hooves are 1/2 by 1, so basically one of these 1 by 1s cut in half. And these ones are going to go down on the bottom of the feet, just like that. And we need a tail for our giraffe, and that also is going to be the same size as the hoof. It's going to be a 1/2 by 1, and again you could do it on with yellow or orange depending on what color you need. And then to finish it off, we get some little hair at the end of the tail, and that's the same size as the eye. That's a 1/2 by 1/2, and that right there is our giraffe, our mosaic giraffe. And you can find more ideas on art projects, things to do, at our website, which is mrkindergarten.com. Thank you very much.